Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play defense in FIFA on PS5. First, focus on understanding the core principles of tactical defending. This involves controlling one player while the AI manages others, creating a cohesive defensive unit. Your goal is to guide your opponent into less dangerous areas, forcing them to make mistakes. We'll cover key button presses and strategies to keep your goal safe and secure throughout the match. Jockeying is crucial for effective defense. Hold L2 to face your opponent and move laterally, cutting off angles. For a quicker, more agile jockey, hold R2 and L2 together. This allows you to react faster to sudden changes in direction. When the time is right, use the standing tackle by pressing circle or B to dispossess the attacker cleanly, aiming for the ball, not the player. Maintaining your team's defensive shape is vital. Use L1 to quickly switch to the player closest to the ball or the one in the best position to intercept. Employ the second man press by holding R1, which sends an AI teammate to pressure the ball carrier. This creates a 2-on-1 situation, but be careful not to pull players out of position, leaving gaps for your opponent to exploit. For advanced defense, avoid constantly sprinting with your defenders. This can pull them out of position and create large gaps in your backline. Instead, use controlled movements and anticipate your opponent's next move. Practice manual defending to refine your timing and precision. By reading the game and intercepting passes, you can turn defense into attack, winning back possession high up the pitch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.